What is up, my dudes? And that one girl is ready to join the Irish drinking team. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos coming weekly. Make sure you ring the bell. You'll know when it comes out. It's all good. Cool? All right, let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on our Krew communicator? Check my referral link down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Bam! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, down by those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to the good cause, there is a link explaining that. Got it? Cool. Awesome. Let's move on. All right, so anyway, today I have Jerry from Minomoto behind me, and I have Stacy from Keltfire behind me. I'll throw links to their channel down below. We are heading over to the Guinness, I don't even know what the plant is called in Maryland, but we're doing the Maryland one, so not St. James Gate, but whatever the Maryland one is called. And apparently we're just going to do a bunch of conversation while sitting at a red light because it's all red lights. Let's do red lights. Red lights are fun. So you may be asking, well, why not just wait till you start getting on like a highway or a road that doesn't have a bunch of lights to talk to us? Well, good question, my friends. And the answer is the Guinness plant is 2 miles away from our hotel. So really, before we get started, we're already there, sort of deal. So yeah, it's now or never. This is what we're doing. It's what we're doing. I'm actually quite excited about this because I did come here last year as well. I feel like I could have spent a little bit more time at the Guinness plant, and honestly, you know, drinking with friends always better than drinking alone. So I'm excited to do this again with some friends and not bounce around, just, you know, enjoy Guinness. And we are just about there. Like, seriously, it's right there. I mean, that building, you can see it right here. So this is a 13.3% Imperial Coffee Stout. And it's pretty damn awesome and really damn expensive. Apparently it's their 5-year anniversary brew. But Stacy, what did you get?
I got the barrel-aged raspberry sour.
Is it good?
Sour.
Why does it not have the same amount of alcohol mine has?
Because I'm not an alcoholic.
What's the point? Jerry, what did you get?
I got tropical orange, Vermosa, peach blonde, and sweet and spicy IPA.
Okay. You lost me at IPA. You lost me. Oh.
I would spit it out.
That's what you said.
Tastes a little pineapple.
That's also what she said.
Another funny, successful trip at Guinness. It's funny, the first time I ever tried to come here, Jerry reminded me, I couldn't because I rolled through here on a Wednesday and they're closed on Wednesday. When we came in today, there's actually a sign that was like, now open on Wednesdays. So 2 years after the fact, whatever, about time, Guinness. Maybe I'll come back and visit on a Wednesday next time.
One last look at the Guinness Brewery. It is called the Open Gate Brewery. I don't know why I never remember that, but that's what it is. We're heading out from here. We're gonna go get gas, get ready for the morning, and then get going. So yeah, I hope you like this little trip of Guinness. Real quick video. That's what I got, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know is like, I wish I could go to Guinness on Wednesday. Now you can. And I'll see you all on the flip side.